ilalagay sa Hall of Fame, I think it's you, V. Because mula pa nung maliit ka, you've worked very hard para marating yung kinalalagyan mo sa ngayon. But I know also that you won't rest on your laurels because mas magiging challenge ito sa'yo. Yung hindi ka na naghihintay ng awards sa FAMAS, pero alam kong bawat pelikula mo, ibinibigay mo yung best. You deserve it, V. Congratulations mula sa akin at saka sa Eye to Eye.
Okay, balikan natin yung tanong natin before we took a break, no? In terms of well, you're take this in the right spirit. No? You're among the more senior actors and actresses sa Pilipinas ngayon in terms of experience and length of involvement in the industry. And there are a lot of young people that are coming up. Now, in one sense, mahusay yun, no? Because there are a lot of avenues now for them to develop and all that. Kaya lang, there are also some feelings na medyo baka hindi tama rin ang development ng iba, no? That they get into the wrong side of the business, they get the wrong influence in the business, and before they even develop themselves as actors and actresses, they fall into the traps that a lot of older colleagues have fallen into, no? What would you say to those young people that get into these problems?
I guess if they're really interested, siguro they should work hard. Hindi sila, kasi when I started, hindi naman huso ngayon na lahat may manager. You know, kasi nung kami noon, talagang, kumbaga nung nag-uumpisa kami, sa aking time, nung nag-uumpisa ako, pinagtatrabahuhan talaga namin kami. You know, like, pumupunta ako sa mga provinces para makilala ako. But this time kasi sa napupuna ko lang sa ngayon sa mga young stars, lahat ito may kanya-kanya mga managers na siyang nag-handle sa kanila na kumisan hindi mo maaalis na meron ng nahuhulog sa hindi magandang trap. No? I mean, you know? So, sa mga young stars na gusto talaga, kung talagang nasa dugo nyo, I guess, importante dyan talaga na don't depend on your manager or what. Definitely matutulungan kayo, but sa inyong sarili dapat pagtrabahuhan din nila yon because someday, pagka naging successful sila, magkakaroon din sila ng hindi lang fame, hindi lang money, kundi responsibility sa public.
Yeah. What about yung develop nila sa pagkatao nila, no? Because some of these people don't develop as very good individuals, as very whole individuals, no? And as I said, they get into the other, you know, the vices and all that. I mean, malaki ba talagang tentasyon dyan in that industry in terms of all of those?
Siguro kasi hindi rin ganun kadali ang buhay ng artista. Dong, I mean, you know, maraming magandang bagay, marami ring mahihirap na bagay na nagbibigay sa'yo ng problema. There are some people na kaya ang problema. But there are some na I guess they're weak. Na kaya kuminsan they depend on drugs, they depend sa mga, let's say, friends na unfortunately hindi magandang friends. Kaya kung saan-saan sila nadadala. I mean, you know, so I guess basta when it comes to this business, show business, nasa individual yan nasa pagkatao. So kung talagang